Every time you talk to AI, you're training your replacement. There's a theory that a future superintelligence could rebuild people using nothing but their digital footprint. And not just a chatbot, a high-fidelity simulation that thinks like you, talks like you, and feels exactly like you. The scary part is, we're creating the dataset right now. Every search, every post, and every message, even every YouTube video you pause on. Which means the question isn't if you could be rebuilt, but who controls the version of you that is. Subscribe for more theories that question reality.